At DroneSense, we empower public safety teams with smart, mission-ready tools. Designed by first responders, our platform is enhancing search and rescue operations, or SAR, with rigorously tested, new automated flight patterns that help locate missing persons faster, safer, and more effectively. Search and rescue missions are often unpredictable. Without defined flight paths, drone pilots face challenges navigating diverse terrains, from dense forests to open waters. The result? Missed areas, delayed recoveries, and greater risk to lives. Our partners at the Norwegian Police Unmanned Air Support Unit have developed 6 data-driven patterns, developed from over 50,000 global SAR cases. We've integrated these predefined SAR flight patterns directly into our platform and have carefully optimized critical variables such as speeds, altitudes, camera sensors, and gimbal angles to allow pilots to focus on what matters: finding people in need. These patterns include single and double pass parallel searches, guiding line searches, sector search, and grid search, each optimized per the incident at hand. These patterns have been remarkably effective and have resulted in an 8-fold increase in successful search and rescue recoveries. With this advanced methodology and seamless integration into our platform, DroneSense continues to set the standard for search and rescue operations that are more precise, efficient, and successful. Ready to transform your SAR operations?